Hello and welcome back to the channel. So if you like us and you've got holes in your lawn, now we had building work done over the winter, so we've got quite a lot of holes in our lawn. There's an easy fix, but it's not a quick fix. So all you'll need is a rake, a bit of topsoil and some grass seed. So first of all, in the patch you've got, just loosen up the mud a bit. Just so the grass roots have got something to bite into. It's going to look worse before it looks better. Okay, just tap that back down. Now if I put a straight edge over it, you'll see that there's a hollow underneath it. So I just need to top that up with a bit of topsoil. Try and make sure there's no leaves or stones in it. Okay, you don't need a massive rake like this, but it does help. Okay, so that's fairly flat now. Right, now I recommend this grass seed. Okay, I bought it on Amazon and you can find it in my Amazon affiliate link shop, which you can find in the description below. So this stuff is really good. I've had really good results with it. If you look over here, that's what it's like after a week. Came up really fast and it gives really good results. Okay, so then just give a good generous layer of grass seed. Okay, don't put too much down. That'll be enough. And then just put a light dusting of topsoil over the top of it. Just very light dusting of it. Make sure there's no stones in it. Give it a little pat down, make sure all the seed's in contact with the soil. The best time of year to do it is autumn or spring, but you can do it in the summer as well. Now it's August now, we've had hot days, we've had cold days. All you got to do is, if you're doing it in summer, just keep it well watered on the hot days. Now I've been quite lucky with that. It's rained nearly every day since I put it down, but if it doesn't, just give it a water morning and night. And you should have good results. Okay, and that's it. Just keep it well watered and you should have good results. So I've got to wait now 2 to 3 weeks to see results, but you'll probably see them in a couple of seconds. So as you can see, that patched in quite well. It's a little bit thin, but with regular mowing that should thicken out. And when I've fed the rest of the lawn, you shouldn't be able to tell where I patched it in. So if you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time.